Hello. Walking, jalan-jalan. Saigon, Saturday. Seafoods. Okay. Saigon, Saturday.
Picture yan?
A video. Tara, ayan na yung KSL. Oh. Jalan-jalan sa KSL.
What?
KSL basta. Careful may sakyan Whoa. Car wash. Nasa backdoor lang kami dumaan. Backdoor ng KSL. There's a lock here. Ano lang parang Angeles lang. KSL City. Parang balibago lang We're here, KSL City. Yan may kainan din dyan. You want to eat here? Seafood. Ano yan? Pork jerky. Spicy. Cuttlefish. Oh, can try Try mo. Ha? Sarap. Ayun. Lucky draw. Kamu Ci?
No, number 2. That's the number.
Oh. Ikaw? Lucky draw.
Number 3.
So what's the price?
Number 2 and number 3. Number 2 is our corn chips. Okay, number 3 is our cuttlefish.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Show it
Take a
there.
photo with your family. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Shopping. Okay. I decided to eat at the garden, Seoul Garden. Eh? What is that? It's a toy machine. The Roma.
Picture mo to si Chesa.
Ito na. Seoul Garden. Going to eat here. Oh, there's a fish. Kids fishing. Seoul Garden. Just gotta put veggie here. Since it's boiling. Ice cream. Which flavor you like? You like that? That's raspberry. Oh, baby. What's yours?
lên trước mặt ra là nhìn cái chị nó khóc ở đó trời nguyên vậy thì có đây được được
KSL City.
Knock, knock, knock. Ah. I forgot this was a disciple.
The hotel is there. Show your hands.